Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is my first ever video and I just want to go through my hair journey with you guys because this is my 50th time cutting my hair, and I just wanted to show you guys what products I use to help my hair to grow. And I just want to get advice from you guys and just find out different things and educate myself on how to even get my hair to grow to brush that length naturally, because I don't think I have ever had my hair to brush that length. So the main things I use in my hair is shea butter with a mix of coconut oil. I make my own oil and I use a lot of water. So those are the main products that I use. Occasionally you might find me making my own hair gel out of flaxseed or almond seeds, and I might use some carrot hair edge control around my edges, but rarely do I ever use these things. But if I do, yeah, I'll let you know what I'll be using. As you can see, this is my hair texture. I do not even know what texture I am. B, 4C, A, B, D, Z. I don't even know how the chart goes, but this is my hair texture. I just recently cut it. It was just about here. Right now, it's here, but when I cut it, it was up to here. That was only maybe a month ago, maybe a month and a week ago. So my hair is growing pretty fast, so I think, and I'm just happy to start this journey with you guys. I mean, this is gonna be super fantastic. Okay, so bye-bye for now, I guess. But I will see you soon with another video on how I got this look, if you like it.